Have you ever wondered if it's possible to actually beat the S&P 500 without a six-figure starting balance or staring at charts all day? Stick with me for the next 3 minutes and I'll show you how you can build global diversified wealth with just $200 a week using the Standard and Poor 13 strategy from UZEE Stocks UPDATE LTD. Here's the deal. The S&P 500 is great, but it's all about averages. What if you could handpick a mix of the world's most innovative cash-generating businesses and build your own mini portfolio that's outperformed the index more often than not? Let's break it down. You've got 13 powerhouses: Amazon, Meta, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Palantir, Shopify, Tesla, Coca-Cola, Walmart, Chevron, and Nike. These are companies shaping the future of tech, retail, energy, and the global consumer. All you do is pick any 2 names each week or each month and invest a total of $200. Keep rotating. In about 6 to 7 months, you'll have a little piece of every single one. Then you just keep repeating for 5 years. That's called dollar cost averaging. It smooths out the wild swings and emotional roller coasters that trip up so many beginners. Why does this work? First, sector balance. You've got high-growth tech, steady consumer staples, and energy companies that pay you dividends. Second, global moats. You're buying AI, cloud computing, retail logistics, electric vehicles, the world's favorite soft drink, and more. Third, compounding. Those small steady buys, they snowball. It's a psychology hack too. By sticking to a fixed schedule, you take emotions and FOMO out of the equation. No more panic selling or trying to time the market. Now you might ask, how do I start? Especially if I'm in Nigeria. That's where UZEE Stocks UPDATE LTD comes in. For a small fee, you get step-by-step coaching on setting up your US brokerage account, a walkthrough of this exact 13-stock rotation, and automation for your investments. Plus, you get weekly market insights, quarterly portfolio reviews, and access to a private Telegram community for real-time alerts and accountability. Remember this: once you understand the stock market, your savings stop sleeping in the bank. Your portfolio becomes your real bank. Ready to put $200 to work? Hit the WhatsApp link or visit the site in the description. Start today, because the market rewards time in, not timing. And remember, investing always involves risk. Diversify, stay disciplined, and seek advice when you need it. UZEE's got your back. UZEE Stocks UPDATE LTD. Let's build wealth 1 week at a time.